Hi guys, I'd just like to preface this video. If you're not okay with boys wearing perfume, get off my channel. I don't care. Like, honestly. Thank you, next. Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening my Thank You Next perfume from Ulta Beauty, which I'm so excited about. Let me get a pair of scissors. So, let me just snip this open. Okay. So, oh, I see it. This is what it looks like when you just look inside. Has a bunch of bubble wrap. Oh, that was disappointing. Oh, wow. Love that. Okay. So, oh my god, this is humongous. So, this is the box. Sorry that you can't see any. Okay. I'm gonna open the box. Not open the box, but take off the wrapping because it has a really bad glare on it if I don't do that. So yeah. The box is so cute. I'm so happy that I got the biggest size. Oh, I can already smell it. So this is what the box looks like. It just says thank you next and then all the information at the bottom and Ariana Grande at the top. And then on the side it has her from the Thank You Next music video, which is all cute. And then on the back it says thank you next Ariana Grande. And then on the other side it has the same exact picture, which is real cute. And then on the top it has a broken heart that says Ariana Grande thank you next. And yeah, let's open it. So I just showed you the box. And now let's open her up. Okay. Oh my god. This is so cute. It's a little broken heart, and on the inside it has a little circle thing with all the perfume in it. And then it says XOXO. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. Okay. So now that we have it out of the packaging. Oh wait, this is actually really good quality too. It's hard plastic. This is what the perfume looks like. Can you see me through it? Okay, so that's what it looks like out of the heart. Okay, so now let's spray it a little bit. I didn't get a whiff of it and I sprayed half the bottle, whatever. It smells so flowery. That's so pretty. Wait. When it's in the air, it just smells like alcohol, but on the wrist, once you let it aerate for a little, it smells like a mixture of coconut with Cloud and Ari. Does that make any sense? It smells beautiful and it's amazing and oh, I love it. Wait, let's just I got it in my eye. I don't care. She is gorgeous. You look so gorgeous. This packaging is genius. This is the cutest packaging. Ooh, I have an idea. So I have all of the perfumes with me. Thank You Next, Sweet Like Candy, Cloud, Moonlight, and Ari. And I am going to rank them. I promise you that I said rank them, not drink them, because if I drank them, I would probably be dead. So yeah. So first off, this is my favorite. Cloud, of course. She's my ride or die. She's like a little bit, and I'm a boy. And so Cloud, she's my favorite. She's just amazing, perfect, beautiful, stunning, gorgeous. Like, where did you come from? She's my favorite. I wear her every day. And then it's kind of hard. It's between Sweet Like Candy and Ari. Not Ari. Thank You Next. Thank You Next is gorgeous, like I said. Wait, I want to sniff her again. Ugh, stunning. She smells so much like the beach and the coconuts. And like, I heard that she smells like pina coladas. But it smells more flowery than a pina colada. But all I have to go off of is a pina colada from Dunkin' Donuts. But I love this so much. Gorgeous, perfect, amazing. See, look at that. How does she come up with a bottle like this? Who does this? This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen. And like Cloud, these two perfumes are like genius. Oh, her mind. And then Sweet Like Candy. She's sweet like candy. Let's sniff her. Strawberry and coconut. Not coconut, what's it called? Cotton candy. And then I have Ari. My Ari is only halfway empty, but I love it. She smells amazing, and but all of her perfumes are perfect to me. Like, she does not have one perfume that I'm like, ew, except for Moonlight. Moonlight, I do not feel it. This is not the vibe. Wait, it is the vibe. I love Moonlight now. Oops. I was so caught up in the perfumes that I forgot to mention the free gift. So, I know that you probably don't care, but in case you do, like, this is what I got. But, like, it's this nice little duffel bag that you can just, like, ooh. Like, if you're going to, like, South Carolina for a couple days, you can bring this. It's not the best quality, I don't think. Of course, I haven't used it, but, like, you know. Oh, wow, it's not opening. It feels like plastic leather. It's fake. But, like, it's nice for a free gift. Like, it's big. So, this is the free gift, and it has, oh, I thought that those had side pockets, but it doesn't. But it has a pocket inside. You can't see because my lighting is atrocious. Yeah, it's cute. So, would I recommend getting the Thank You Next perfume? Yes, I would. My room's gonna smell like perfume for the next year and a half. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Oh my god, it smells so good over here. Okay, bye.